Imagine you're in a sinking rowboat surrounded by sharks and your boat's sinking. So how do you get out of this? So we give this question to ChatGPT, and ChatGPT is going to receive what we gave it, and it's going to give us the best possible solution according to everything that's been, imported into this artificial intelligence. If you don't know what ChatGPT is, it is artificial intelligence. For those who are new, a lot of people are using this to put all the dirty work that they know how to do, but just have the AI do it for them. For an example, if you've never coded a day in your life and you say, hey ChatGPT, write me a hello world in Python. ChatGPT will go ahead and take your input and create you a line of code that you had no clue how to do, which puts humans way in advance. So now you're wondering, how can I get to ChatGPT? Well, it's chat.openai.com. And even if you don't understand what I just said, go to Google, type in ChatGPT open. There you go. The very first link will take you to OpenAI. But you do have to create an account with OpenAI, which is free, will let you have access to this amazing AI resource. But if you do want to upgrade, there is a paid version that will just let you receive your messages back faster. And when in peak times, when there's a lot of people using ChatGPT, you are prioritized. So if you found value in this video, hit the like button and the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next video.